Hi, I'm Ellie Roberts with startinglineproducts, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our power pucks for the Polaris RZR Turbo S 4-seat and RS1. First, remove the clutch cover using an SLP clutch cover removal tool. Then, remove the drive clutch retaining bolt using a 21mm socket, a breaker bar, and an SLP clutch holding tool. For this, we use a small amount of grease on the clutch puller threads on the end that pushes on the crankshaft. That will help in the primary clutch removal process. Thread the drive clutch puller into the center of the drive clutch. Tighten the clutch puller with a breaker bar and a 3/4 inch socket until the clutch pops loose from the tapered shaft. Remove the clutch from the RZR and remove the clutch puller from the clutch. Once you have removed the clutch, mark the orientation of the cap to the spider prior to disassembly by marking both with a marker to ensure proper reassembly. Next, compress the primary clutch with a clutch press tool and loosen the cap bolts until the cap can be removed from the clutch and set aside. Remove the travel limiter shim and spring and set them aside. Remove the stock stainless steel inserts. Then, remove the stock plastic sliders from the spider. To remove the plastic sliders, push them towards the center of the clutch. Pry one side of the plastic slider out until the clip rests on the side of the spider. Repeat for the opposite side and slide the slider up and off of the spider. Using compressed air, thoroughly blow out any dust or debris from the clutch. Check for any wear that might have occurred prior to the installation. This is also a good time to check the weight rollers for bushing wear or flat spotting. Locate the 3 supplied power pucks included with this kit. With the square cutout window pointing down, slide the power puck into the space between the tower and the spider. To ensure proper alignment, place pressure on the power pucks from the center of the clutch below the spider so that the stainless steel portion of the power puck is flush with the tower. Also, make sure that the top of the power puck is flush with the top of the tower. Repeat these steps for the remaining power pucks. For reassembling your clutch, begin by reinstalling the spring and the limiter. If using an SLP spring, make sure the recessed portion of the SLP limiter faces down towards the top side of the spring. Using an SLP clutch press tool, reinstall the clutch cap and bolts using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Torque to 9 foot-pounds. To reinstall your clutch, begin by using brake cleaner and a clean shop towel to clean the tapered end of the crankshaft and the tapered mating surface of the drive clutch. Install the drive clutch into the tapered crankshaft of the engine. Using a 21mm socket, torque wrench, and SLP clutch holding tool, torque the drive clutch retaining bolt to 96 foot-pounds. Reinstall the drive belt using stock L-wrench belt removal tool or SLP belt removal tool. Reinstall the clutch cover using the SLP clutch cover removal tool. A final note after the installation is completed. For the first 10 miles of use, only run the vehicle in low load conditions to allow the power pucks to break in properly. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about how to do this installation, comment down below or call us at 208-529-0244.